Hello guys, how are you all? Today I'm back with one more amazing video of CapCut, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can download fonts in CapCut. So before moving toward the video, it's a request to all of you, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. All you need to do is you just need to press on this project button, add the desired project in which you want to apply different kind of fonts and different kind of text. So as you can see in my screen right now, this is my project. So if I want to apply a different kind of fonts to my text, first of all let me write down a text. So this is my text. I can adjust it, I can paste it wherever I want in my project. After that I just need to press on style. So this is the portion in which you will be able to download different kind of fonts. So this font is actually for free. So if I want to download this font, press on this plus button. You can also add a different kind of fonts. You can also import them from your cloud. So if you want to download them, download a cool and amazing fonts, you just need to press on this download button, and it takes some time to download, and boom, as you can see, the fonts are now downloaded. It may depends on your internet speed. You can apply different kind of fonts, so they are appearing in the screen. You can select the desired one and you can download different kind of fonts using these steps. So this is the portion where you can find all the fonts. Let me download this monster font, and boom, you can also change the color, change the background, and you can also adjust them in the screen, and you're good to go. Press on this tick button and boom,